Welcome back. Well, if you're planning to take a train to the heart of Madhya Pradesh, you just might have to think twice before ordering your meal on the train, because this story is going to be an eye-opener and just might leave you feeling disgusted. The pictures on your screen are that of a railway canteen in Betul in Madhya Pradesh, and just watch how these rats invade the railway canteen. This is the very canteen that prepares the food for all railway passengers, and what's worse is that the rail canteen is right next to the office of a regional railway manager. Despite several warnings, the situation remains the same. The shocker comes just 2 days before the railway budget. In fact, just before the railway budget.
अपनी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश रहती है कि वो साफ सफाई रखे बराबर। हम लोग बार बार जाते भी हैं, मतलब डीआरएम साहब आते हैं, जो भी आते हैं सब में पहले चेक यही होता है और उसको बार बार पनिशमेंट भी मिल रहा है। ऐसी कोई गंदगी नहीं है, लेकिन जहाँ पे पानी का काम है थोड़ा बहुत तो गंदगी आती ही है।
सर किचन सुबह शाम डेली धुलता है, मगर क्या है दिन में काम चल रहा है तो उसकी वजह थोड़ा गंदगी हुई नहीं, सुबह शाम में धुलाई होती है। चूहे सर अंदर से नाली है तो एक दो चूहा घुस भी जाता है।
Okay, let's get in a quick word from India Today editor Shiv Arur, who joins us for more. Shiv, just tell us a little bit more about these shocking pictures.
You know, one of the reasons why these images are going to be really shocking is because, it's not like millions of Indians who use the Indian Railways, one of the largest railway systems in the world, every single hour, every single day, are not accustomed to seeing, the most shocking filth, both on trains, on platforms, inside railway stations, where food is cooked. This sort of thing, people have seen. Anyone who's traveled in an Indian train has seen this kind of filth. The point is, in the last few months, at least the last 6 to 7 months, there has been a very public, very, vocal sort of call for cleanliness in trains. You've got the Swachh Abhiyan, impulse that has been sweeping the nation. So I think there are heightened expectations from rail passengers and the public in general that such open, such brazen, filth is not something that will meet the eye so easily. On this particular platform and in these images, you see rats scurrying, between vessels, food being cooked in the open in the most shockingly unhygienic manner. Absolute filth lying there. There's rotting food. There's garbage. Forget about any hygiene standards of the people cooking this food. They probably don't even have a choice, because that's how those are the kind of facilities that have been provided to them. But they have no choice. They've got to cook in these conditions because food has to be supplied to every single train that actually passes by this station. And let's remember, if it's happening in this station, you can bet your last buck it's happening in stations all across the country. We've seen it. Betul is only one small example, but given that these pictures are coming out and being reported at a time when we've got the railway budget upon us, a railway budget to which millions of people across the country will be looking for answers to, looking for fresh ideas from. You've got a person like Suresh Prabhu, from whom there have been such high expectations as far as the Indian Railways is concerned. And when you juxtapose those expectations with pictures like these, even though it's going to take a long time to revolutionize the Indian Railways and make them clean, the fact is these pictures will always be really shocking at a time when expectations are so high from this government.
Absolutely, Shiv. This is indeed a shocker coming in just a day before Suresh Prabhu would be presenting the railway budget. And, Shiv, just to see these little rats scurrying around inside these kitchens is also a serious health hazard.
Well, the simple fact is, the kind of squalor, the kind of filth that you see in these images, from this little railway station in Betul, is a health scare. You've got rats scurrying between vessels, the possibility of any number of diseases being spread. These are food packages that will be supplied inside trains. Thousands of passengers in all of those trains will consume that food, including, little children, possibly infants even, will consume that food. So you can only imagine the kind of, health risks that are being, sort of facilitated as a result of just a handful of dirty kitchens at railway stations. And like I said, this particular station in Betul in Madhya Pradesh is only one among what we can sure are thousands of railway kitchens across the country where this kind of squalor is probably a norm. So it's not just a health risk in those trains, but these people are traveling all over the place. So you've got diseases spreading. It's only helping that. I think this is something that Suresh Prabhu, the railway minister, and all those involved with Swachh Abhiyan need to pay very, very close attention to. This is something that involves people all across the country, not just the people of Betul.
Absolutely. Shiv Arur there. Thanks so much for joining us.
5 other students other than Kanhaiya, including Omar Khalid, accused of sedition. Omar Khalid and Anirban as well, the other included, have told the Delhi High Court that they want to surrender at a secret location